As an owner of a trailer, there's two things that you always have to do on a regular basis. Anytime you travel with the trailer, you want to make sure that your tire pressure is good and the lug nuts are tight. Let's take a look at the tools that you would need to do this job. One, you want to get a simple gauge, and then you want to get a torque. All of our trailers come with E-rated tires, 10 ply. They're rated for 80 psi cold. We recommend to do 70 psi cold pressure in any of our tires. Let's check the tire pressure. This one's at 74, just a little bit overinflated, but before we release the trailer, we'll make sure all the tires are inflated to the correct pressure. Set your torque to 65 pounds of pressure, and you want to go in a star pattern. So you start with one, go straight across, and just kind of follow the pattern. Once you do that, it's never a bad idea to just go one more time through all of them to make sure that you did not miss any of the lug nuts. There you have it.